Got the tire from her. Sissy rolled trying to get it. She didn't get it, but he turned on her. She twisted. That should be glad. You should keep them over in the garden. They're tearing up the yard.
Serendity's about to beat your dog up over there. He's here gonna step on shit. She's like, say one, motherfucker. Worry. Serenity, come on, pup. Serenity.
He gets it right there and about rolls it when she tries to grab it.
Come on, Serenity. Come on, Serenity, pup, go here. Serenity, now. Come on, pup. Come on, Serenity. Come on, Serenity.
She's getting that shit. She's doing all kinds of shit. Out doing a backflip.
Trying to get it, but it ain't working.
Serenity, get over here and leave him alone.
What are you doing, Serenity?
There's probably cigarettes in the kitchen.
She's kicking up some dirt, spinning around in circles. Serenity, hush. Serenity, quiet. Get it, Blue. Get it, Sissy.
Dog's eating dirt.
That's okay. Serenity, it's okay. You can eat some dirt. Just as soon as she's older, she probably got poop or something that she likes, cat shit or something.
Well, how they can eat dirt? What is it going to do? They could just go right through you.
She's hungry.
She's so dumb. I don't know. You can say she'd be like Sissy or them. She's so stupid. Instead of looking where she's walking, she's like seen the hole there. She like steps into the hole, knows it's there, and steps into the hole. Lets her fucking chin smack around.
She's a puppy. She's still learning her balance and stuff.
Serenity, come here, eat trash can.
Serenity.
She's starting to get nose.
That's Sissy Jr., right? She smells trash from a mile away.
How can you see her? Serenity.
My battery's about dead, but I should be able to get about 5-6 minutes of it. If they start doing more, I want to see them do more. Oh, so yeah, right, try to swing both of them motherfuckers.
I could probably swing both of them.
I doubt it.
I don't want to have my hands on it if it goes for another bite or something.